The weather remains top of mind here in St. Louis with bitter cold. Coldest morning of the winter so far, and we've had some cold one. And when it comes to this, frozen or even busted pipes, you have to take steps to prevent it. But if you forgot, that's when we turn to Jessica Beis of Beis Plumbing for expert advice on how to protect your home and your pipes during the winter. Welcome back.
Thanks, great
Glad
to be
you're
here.
You just went through this recently, right?
Yes, last week for sure.
Yeah, so I'm hoping I won't have to, but what do you do to provide services that other companies don't at Beis?
We know time is irreplaceable, so we want to get to our customers as soon as possible. So our customers, they have been sending us pictures of what their problem is. We give them an estimate without wasting their time, without having to set up a visit to see them in person. And then we can give them an estimate. They can look it over. If they have questions, they call us. But they know the price beforehand before we even go out there.
That is awesome. I have never really talked to anybody who has done that before. I mean, everybody wants to get in because they at least get a service call out of it. You guys say, no, we're going to take a different approach. We're going to take a look at an image, which thanks to technology is so easy to do now. And you can give me a very accurate estimate of what it's going to cost me if I want to go with you guys. I think that's fantastic. What's the process like, other than maybe taking a picture? What's the process like if people call and want to do business?
It's very easy. You can call us, text us. We're on all social media platforms or email. We get your information. If we do go out in person to assess something, we have an assessment fee. But other than that, just get in touch with us and we'll make sure the girls in the office get you taken care of, whatever you need.
All right, and I'm guessing the phone's ringing off the hook this morning because it was cold. It is cold.
Yes.
Talk to me a little bit about how people can prevent this, because that's one thing we could all do, right?
Yes. So the number one thing everyone should do is know where their main shutoff valve is in their home and that it's actually functional. That way, in the case of an emergency, you can shut off the water on your own instead of having to wait for the water company or someone else.
And when you say make sure it's functional, we have a lot of older homes in our communities here in St. Louis, and a lot of times those valves have gone bad and they won't shut the water completely off.
Correct.
If they will turn at all, right?
Yes.
Do you run into that a lot?
We do, and then also the opposite as well, to where if you shut it off, it won't come back on. So,
oh, okay, that's a big one too.
Yeah.
That would be bad. What are some other things that we can do to help from freezing our pipes?
Prevent drafts. So drafts is the key to frozen pipes. So anywhere there's a draft in the home, make sure you well insulate, keep your cabinets open, make sure your garage is shut if you're home. Some people leave it open, but if you have pipes in an area in the basement or somewhere, put your hand there and see if you can feel air coming. And if there is, you need to find a way to insulate either the windows, the doors, any cracks and crevices to prevent the frozen pipes.
And we talked about maybe opening the cabinet underneath the kitchen sink or in a bathroom that's up against an outside wall. To make just a few degrees can make a big difference, can it?
Yes, and if you have one, our main shutoff at our house is in the basement. It's in a closet, and it's probably 10 to 15 degrees cooler in there than the room next to it. So I open it.
Yeah. And what about they say leave the water dripping in the kitchen? Is that a good idea?
Yes. If you leave just a little trickle, the water keeps flowing and then it won't freeze.
And obviously you're not going to do this every day, but when you have mornings like this that you know it's really going to be cold, you have to take those measures. Thank you so much, Jess. Good to see you again. To get in contact with Beis Plumbing, you can give them a call at 314-500-5325. And when they answer, go, help! You can also find them on the web at beisplumbing.com.
Jessica,